Final day of the state versus Usainu Bojan is just few hours to go. As you can see, the arrival of Defense Counsel Lamin J. Dabo, who is standing for the accused person, Usainu Bojan. This has been a trial that has taken ages since 2023, almost 3 years since its inception, when the allegations came out that there are three police officers that were shot at Sukuta Jaban traffic light. And when the information came, Usainu was the accused person who was accused to be behind the shootings. Since then, the trial has commenced, and you could see Counsel J. Dabo arriving with his fellow that accompany him. And you can also see the arrival of Usainu Bojan, who is the accused person, with her sister Ami Bojan, all guarded by the security, full force security forces here with all their gears, escorting Usainu Bojan to the premises of the courtroom, where Justice Ibrahim Ajaite will deliver his verdict, whether Usainu will be a free man today or Usainu will be sentenced accordingly. This has been a trial that has held the country for far too long. As you all could witness, this has been a case that has been going for far too long. Throughout the trial, state led by the Director of Public Prosecution maintained that the evidence against Usainu Bojan is actually undeniable. The prosecution case was built on 3 pillars: the eyewitness, the testimony of the 2 soldiers, that's PW1 and PW2, who describe the description of Usainu Bojan, and also state rely on the confession that was allegedly to be made by Usainu Bojan through Mama Jabi in Casamas. They say that Usainu has confessed to the crime, and also on circumstantial evidence that the discovering of an haftan from Usainu's house that they believe has give a direct description of what the shooter has wear that very night. And also in regards to Ami Bojan's case, the state has maintained that Ami was fully aware of Usainu's crime, and he decided to help him to abscond the jurisdiction of this country. This has been the allegation, but Defense Counsel Lamin J. Dabo and Adam Asilla also spend all their time dismantling the state case, labeling that their investigation is incompetent, is incomplete, and they said that the accused persons, Usainu and Ami, are innocent of the crime. They also build their case on the alibi that people testify that Usainu was in his hotel in Brufut whilst the shooting was happening in Jaba. Also digital evidence of the WhatsApp audio that shows that the white lady was speaking to Usainu the day of the incident, the whole night, and Usainu was actually not on the ground. So these are a few of the allegations, these are the few of the cases, or the summary of the cases. But as we can see today, the court is full up to its capacity. You could see people coming in, you could see Counsel J. Dabo coming with a full smile to attend the